After spending a few years with her family in England, Mommy returned to Jamaica in early 1988. Not long after, I returned to Jamaica to visit Mommy. That was my first time back since coming to England in 1975. So, for me, it was a great joy going back to see her. I remember when I went back to Jamaica in 1988, Mommy was there smiling away, rocking to one of Bob Marley's tune. You know, she loved Bob Marley. You know, it was great joy going back. It was great joy seeing her. You know, I went to see the place, visit the place. It was nice, fruitful. We went to pick fruits. We were eating lots of fruits, picking mangoes off the tree. It was great fun. It's bring back lots of memories of when I was growing up. You know, I also went to see some of my friends.
So when the man, when the guy was walking with the ass now and they pull it and they cock in the hand. So when the ass lie down, so if see one lady comes and say, "Well, on a man," but at that time, go on. Yeah, she don't change it. Yeah, well, on a man, why don't I go get a joke? Yeah, the boy see one lady comes and say, "Lady, hold me cock. I'll pull it. Let me catch me ass."
We play dominoes, you know, we chat, laugh, joke, you know, and have a fun time, because that's how it is in that little district where I grew up. Everyone was peaceful, loving, and it was all about joy and fun. You know, it was living in a district where everybody was like a great big family. So Jamaica, Cairn Curran, I can't beat that other place there.
Little more. Don't take no more to me, man. Eh? Me see her Monday. Not take no photograph of me there.
What mass Lester? Where are you, Lester?
I don't have a thing I say, man. I look for you.
Okay, what you take off, you didn't know.
I see nothing over this.
You catch your tongue there.
No, come away, man.
Yeah, can't be virgin.
I catch him, see it die.
Me have one man, me have all out of pants cream. Me have all out of man.
You married now, you know?
You married now?
Yeah, when she come out of me and she remarried again.
Eh?
Anytime she come out, she can't look for me and she left me no time.
No man, can't leave my girl now.
But don't take this, no time. Look at him good every day.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. They hold up on big fat. Me mash it, man. I'm not kill him, bro.
Don't want fishing coming out. And they say it's one nice for you, man.
That's what more you want.
You love me.
You say you have to wear me at the big one.
Yeah, Glen, very big Glen.
As a young lad growing up in Cairn Curran district, I can remember it being a close-knit community. For example, it was typical for families and friends to care for each other when needed. And in this vein, Miss Rosie MacDonald, a family friend close to Mommy, helped to look after her as she became older.
Mommy, me did ride your mommy, me know, me friend about, I believe, grandma.
Yeah, okay then, Mr. Oh, puppy nice, boss. Yes, bus driver.
It's a celebration.
Celebrate good times, come on.
Let's celebrate.
The wedding was well attended, so this was a perfect opportunity for me to document some more from our people of the community.
Celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good time and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now.
You know say something now, man?
We're not living there.
What you mean?
Time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time.
Jesus, money man.
It's time to come together. It's up to you.
Mommy was also present to give her word of wisdom and encouragement. Let's pay homage to all our fellow friends and colleagues from Cairn Curran. and may their soul rest in peace.
Oh, what a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and grief to bear. Oh, what a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. And we trials and